Do you know I feel this deeply out of